What's up everybody? My name is Matt, that rhymes with pack, and I'm here to show you how to package your items for shipment. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing it's because you're sending in a tablet, laptop, or computer into us for repair. If I'm correct, then you're in the right place because we're gonna show you how to package that tablet right up. You should have received an email from us after you filled out the repair form that should have two attachments at the bottom, one of which is a shipping label for a Region A priority mail flat rate box. And that box looks like this. You don't want to use any other packaging besides this box. And I get it, there's tons of other packaging options out there. You could use an unmarked box of greater size than this one. You could use some Priority Mail Express packaging, which is the one that's in blue at the post office, or you could use a bubble mailer like this. If you don't use this box, you will be charged additional fees by the Postal Service. So you just want to make sure that you pick up one of these boxes at your local post office and you ship your device packed securely in bubble wrap inside of the box. Now, when you pack your item in either bubble wrap or some other sort of packing material, what we'd recommend is that you pack it so that it fits snugly in the box without moving around at all. Packaging your item in this way just ensures that it's going to arrive to us without suffering further damage in transit. Another thing to note about this Region A box is that it comes with $50 of shipping insurance. If you do want additional insurance on your postage, you will need to purchase your own shipping label, but you can still use the same box. We would recommend that you don't just leave your package on your front porch or put it in a drop box. We would recommend that you either request a package pickup from USPS and have them scan it in right in front of your face, or you go to the post office and you have them scan it in, once again, right in front of your face. Also, just as a heads up, we don't want you to send in any accessories with your device. So please refrain from sending charging cords, other miscellaneous cables, manuals, boxes, or any kind of original packaging in with your device. We only need the device that we'll be working on, and we have all of the accessories needed to charge it and test it in every way that it would need to be tested. We're super stoked that you've chosen to trust us with the repair of your electronics, and we look forward to getting your device fixed up and sent back to you as quickly as possible. If you do have any questions along the way, feel free to shoot us a text or an email, and we'll do our best to get back to you as quickly as we can. Thanks so much for choosing Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Have a great day.